Here's our Wednesday's vlog. I decided to do the garlic powder challenge. So today I am doing the garlic powder challenge. Garlic powder and garlic is actually healthy for you, so I'm gonna open it so you see it. So I'm doing the challenge today, right now. No, the bean. It's Mama Kenna.
Whoa, you're going to eat that garlic powder?
I just got it in my nose.
Kayla, look at Brianna. She's going to eat garlic powder. She's going to eat garlic powder.
Come on. I'm trying to help her.
Hand it back to her. It's coming.
Okay. Can I just taste it, see what it tastes like real quick?
I don't know. What's the reason for the sound?
I don't know.
I think they said you gotta just like go like that. It's good for you. It's not gonna hurt you. Garlic is really good for you.
Oh, it smells horrible. It's like you my nose right. I'm scared. I don't know. It tastes like when we in like tuna and stuff. What the heck are you watching?
Bubba.
What do you think she's watching? Hey, the internet's working. Caitlin, can you please turn that off?
And the Charlie Cruise is free.
She's gonna play it again.
Just exit it out.
Okay, here we go. Getting in my nose.
That's how much milk left on it.
Oh my god. I got it in my mouth.
In your mouth? That was just a bit of a little tiny bit, right? Wasn't that just a little tiny bit?
Mama.
I can smell the garlic. You still got a spoon there.
A bump.
Here, and take that with you to the table.
A bump me by hell. This is disgusting.
It's not that bad, is it? It's garlic. You love garlic. Daddy, can you put a lot of garlic on this? Put a lot of garlic on that. So
Well,
this is the garlic in its true powder form.
why do I have to have that? That's my
Yeah,
one.
you know, keep going. You feel better now, huh? You better now? See if Brianna can finish that garlic, huh? The garlic? Scooby? Where's Scooby?
Yeah.
Alright. Back to you, Brianna.
Go to my camera again. Is that our
If you don't want to eat this, you don't have to eat this.
So I'm just gonna shut this so I don't get garlic powder back in there.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Give this a good How is it? Did it taste better? Did it taste better on garlic bread? Yeah. Daddy's on 0.
No wonder why my toothfish tastes spicy sometimes.
Yeah.
And too much garlic powder.
Oh, come here, baby.
Stuff's disgusting.
Is it that bad?
Now I think I need to eat something after this. Eat something. I think I need to eat something and get this flavor out of my mouth.
How about some garlic bread?
Oh my goodness, it'll still taste garlic, Daddy.
Want some garlic bread? Oh no.
Oh,
Caitlin,
no.
what happened?
You're not in trouble. You're not in trouble. It's okay. It's okay. That's not. You think this is the iPad?
So Brianna, you did the garlic challenge, right? Or powder challenge. So I figured I would go ahead and do it. See, there's still some in there. How's that look?
Good.
Look good?
Bit spicy, I mean. That's in the fridge.
It's all gone.
What happened to it?
I ate it.
Maybe she's trying to say she wants cheese.
And I'll tell you one thing. After a while, it starts to get hot.
Yep.
It's like a very slow heat. But it's really good for you. Want some cheese, baby? If you, have allergies to foods like this, what do?
You don't eat it.
So don't eat it. So if you have any allergies to garlic powder or anything like that, whenever you're going to do a challenge, whatever you have an allergy to, of course it's obvious, don't do it. I don't care how much peer pressure one gets. It's just not worth the allergic reaction. So remember that. Or don't do things in a lot of quantity that would become unhealthy, because anything in too much of an excessive amount could be harmful, even if it's good for you. So just keep that in mind if you ever do any challenges. Don't take too much of one thing or anything and combined, because too much of anything is no good. So just keep that in mind, right?
Yeah, keep that in your mind.
Yeah.
Please post your garlic powder challenge as a video response to this video.
Hey.
Go.
Here, go get your chair. Get your chair. Oh no. Monkey on a monkey bar. Are you a monkey? Caitlin's a little monkey. Caitlin's a little monkey. You're a little monkey. You're a monkey.
Daddy. Meow. Daddy. Meow.
You can't sit that close to the TV, Caitlin. No good. Berries. Berry time. You silly.
Yeah.
Here's a blackberry. It's funny how you eat them. You eat them like you're a little puppy. You're a little puppy. Here, puppy. Is it good?
Something.
Huh?
Bueno.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
Excuse me.
You can eat it. Yeah.
Two.
What are you doing?
No.
Uh-oh, what are you doing?
Throw it. Daddy, can you throw that pillow up for me?
No, don't be throwing things down there.
No, I didn't throw it down there. I had that down there.
No, don't do it.
Throw it
I
up
don't want her to get any ideas, right, Caitlin?
Yeah.
Caitlin, look what Daddy's got. These are healthier. These are the Nutri-Green kind of chips, right?
Okay. Here.
You can have it. So look, Daddy took off the thing off my finger, so you took yours off, huh? All I got now is just a Band-Aid, and then you wanted to get a Band-Aid too. Oh boy, it's like you're copying Daddy. Is that good?
No.
Yeah? Where's Brittany at? What is she doing? What is she doing?
Yeah. Hey. Yeah.
What are you doing?
She wanted me to wash her plate.
Oh,
Hey.
there you go. Say thank you, Brittany.
Ready.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
No, you don't have to eat on the floor. You're not a doggy or a cat. You go eat at the table.
Ready.
Oh, you silly.
Two.
Silly you.
Here.
Silly, silly.
Baby.
That's better. Much better.
Here.
Don't you feel better now, Caitlin?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. You
See?
can eat.
Thank.
What you want, baby?
Yeah.
What is it?
Boom.
A spoon for your chips? Well, we're gonna have more than just chips, okay? We're gonna have something really healthy.
My hair looks like a wretched mess.
You gotta go puppy sitting again?
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be fun. Hey, Caitlin, she's gonna go puppy sitting.
Do you get paid for babysitting?
Huh?
Isn't that cute, huh?
No, I do it for free.
Oh.
Puppy.
Yeah.
Puppy.
What are you doing?
Hey.
You want more? More chips. Caitlin.
Okay.
There you go, finally.
Puppy.
Up here.
There we go. Play your Scooby.
Doobie-doo.
Or SpongeBob.
Yeah.
Want the SpongeBob SquarePants, Caitlin?
Daddy.
She likes
SpongeBob?
all of them. She just likes to watch everything.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Scooby.
Where's Scooby?
Where's Scooby?
Yeah.
But see,
What?
we have to get what happened to
Where's
some-
Scooby?
Let's see what happened to Netflix though. Why do they take the movies and shows off?
Why did they take off SpongeBob?
I don't know.
Hi, Caitlin.
Hi.
Why did they
Scooby.
take off SpongeBob?
Scooby.
Where's Scooby?
Yeah. Ooh.
You gotta wash the iPad off. It's got
Escape
fingerprints all
from
over it, right?
Mystery Manor.
Somebody's not maintaining the iPad over here. Look at that.
this trap
Ay, ay, ay.
The bathroom.
I'm coming, Caitlin. Caitlin, where you going, baby?
Yeah.
Caitlin. Caitlin. Come here, baby. Come here. What are you doing?
Papa.
Oh my goodness.
Papa. Papa.
What happened to your iPad?
Scooby.
We're still having fun puppy sitting.
Buddy, movie, buddy. See? Buddy. Help me. Baby. Good? Come on.
We're watching her for a couple minutes.
Caitlin, can you give Nani a kiss?
I don't need a kiss. Or you?
Puppy. Pee?
Okay. I don't think she has to pee, honey.
Where are you taking me? Where are we going? She wants more chicken, Daddy.
No.
Hold on. Why are you
Caitlin's watching
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
She likes to watch all different kinds of shows.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go check on the girl. You ready to go swimming?
Yes, I
Huh?
am.
You can't.
Well, I'm only going through these because Bobby.
Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, swimming day. So what is today? What's the day? August 14th, 2013, right? The weather's kind of cooling down, but we're just gonna go swimming anyway. You know, it's fun, right? Caitlin!
What?
Come get your bathing suit. Come on, baby. We gotta get our bathing suit.
Which one do you want me to wear?
Caitlin, come on, let's go get your bathing suit now so we go swimming.
Which one do you want me to wear?
Huh?
You want me to wear this one, the two-piece, or the one-piece?
Caitlin, which one do you want to wear, baby?
Two.
Here, turn this on so you
She
can see.
wants to wear the two-piece.
Two.
Hey, Caitlin, look. I took my, it's off and yours is off. Your finger thing is off and my finger thing's off. Yay. Oh. Oh, that's nice. Oh. You want to go swimming? We gotta wait. Who we waiting for? Who we gotta wait for? Brittany, Gabby. Alright, guys. Don't take too long, okay? Right, Caitlin? I think somebody's got a mess to clean. I'm coming, baby. Somebody got a mess to clean in the bathroom. Who left a bunch of clothes in the bathroom? Where's your bathing suit so we go swimming? Huh? Where's your bathing suit at, Caitlin?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh no, what you got? Hey, Caitlin.
What?
You wouldn't do the garlic powder challenge, would you? Like Brianna? The garlic powder? I was even brave enough to do it myself, huh? I went ahead and tried it. Not bad. Man, I eat everything. I mean, I eat garlic with everything, so I pour a lot of garlic in everything. You guys ready?
8, 2, 5, 6, 7.
Are you counting Daddy's footsteps, huh? You counting Daddy's footsteps? Huh?
6, 5, 7, 7.
I'm gonna go swimming, huh? Hey, Caitlin. Come here. Caitlin. So you want to go in the big pool or the kiddie pool?
Yeah.
Which pool you want to go in, the big one or the kiddie pool?
What? What?
I can't believe the weather. It doesn't feel hot today. It's cooled down a lot. It's August 14th, right? Yeah, it won't be long and school will be starting. I mean, there's a lot of places school's already started already. But that's the way it goes. But I might as well get our swimming and do our vacation and while we can, you know, go in places, go to the, you know, the condos over there, the shore, the beach, and just a little vacation getaway places. Just kind of do as much as we can before school starts. Right, Caitlin?
Yeah.
Huh? Unless you want to do some fun things before school starts?
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah. Where are you?
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay.
Door.
Hey, Caitlin.
What?
Caitlin. Wait for your sister.
No.
And Gabby. Wait for Gabby and them.
It was a beautiful day, so we decided to go swimming.
Caitlin.
I'm making waves.
Caitlin, what is that? Can Daddy see that? Could Daddy see that real quick?
Show Daddy.
What is it?
It's one of those things you put on the water. And you
What
find
is
it.
it?
One of those things you go in the water and find it. Kinda like
Hey, Caitlin, can you go get that ball? That yellow ball right there?
Go get the yellow ball.
The yellow ball right in the water.
I don't know if you can see that.
I'll show you where it is. Hey, Caitlin, see it right there? You find it? There it is. Right there. You got it?
Yeah.
Yay. Wow.
Yeah. Abba.
Yay. Thank you.
Yeah, well. Daddy.
Oh my goodness, I forgot. You guys gotta do some more puppy sitting.
Oh.
Okay, and you wanna play with the puppy later?
Papa.
Huh? You play with the puppy later? So who's doing more of the puppy sitting? You or Brittany?
That's me.
Yeah. I'm coming to get you. Ah. Oh no. This water feels warm now.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. It's cold or warm?
Daddy. Help.
Thank you. I guess you can answer that one, huh?
Yeah.
Here, Caitlin. Here, catch it. Catch it. Catch.
Go.
You got the ball? Up, it sink. Oh, does it sink? Caitlin, you want to play catch with the ball?
When you were in your jungle.
Want to play catch? Play catch?
Okay.
Is something stuck in there?
Look. What? My ball?
Oh my goodness, I forgot. What was today's date now?
Oh my goodness, I totally forgot. It's
August what?
14th, 13th.
14th, so there's, wow, you only got like less than 2 weeks before school starts.
I know. I love school. It's just,
Oh man,
I really like school. It's just, school is coming back.
I know.
And then we only have like a short amount of time out for summer break. Then we have like 12 million months of school.
Ugh.
That's what it seems like.
Yeah.
School goes by so fast.
Do you still,
and the days-
I have a question. Do you still taste that garlic?
Yes.
Hey Caitlin.
I do.
Caitlin, you want some garlic? Caitlin, you want some garlic? Garlic bread? You want some garlic bread?
Turtle.
You might be tasting garlic all night.
Splash you.
You might taste garlic all night, you know that?
Oh my goodness. Even if I brush my teeth.
Yeah, because you probably ate some garlic, so.
Ew. Disgusting.
Right? The garlic.
I'm gonna see if I can make this.
Thank you. Oh. Like, a turtle. A turtle. You're welcome.
Hey Caitlin, I'm gonna go in the pool. I'm gonna go in the pool. Watch out.
Oh no. Yeah, you don't want to drink that stuff. That's chlorine.
That was funny.
Yeah. Right?
Daddy, I'm gonna go in the pool here.
Really?
Should I jump in or should no? Because I have an 80%.
Yeah, you might not want to.
For about 2 weeks.
Yeah, it's been a while. No, no. Watch out, Caitlin.
She thinks it's hot.
It's warm. Come on.
She's
Come on.
it's hot out
Caitlin, I'm in. Help you? Whoa. We're gonna go deeper. You ready? You ready to go deeper? Yeah, here we go. Here goes. Is it cold? It is?
She thinks
I
she's
got you. You're not gonna fall.
I'm looking at my tippy toes.
Too much garlic for you.
I'm gonna
today.
get my earrings wet.
Cold?
I'm trying to not get wet, Daddy.
Try not to get wet. Well, that's impossible because we're in the water. Right?
Maybe I can swim. Poppy dog.
Oh no. Want to try to swim, Caitlin? Want to try to swim? Want to try to swim? Is it that bad? Is it really cold?
It's not that cold.
It feels warmer because it's a cooler day today.
Yeah.
So the pool feels cooler because, warmer.
Why? It feels like cold. Why does it feel cold on a hot day?
We gotta talk Brittany into swimming more often. She doesn't like doing it no more. Huh?
Trying to find
Daddy.
I know. She's always on a mission to find something.
Side without not coming up for air. Okay, I'm gonna try now. Here we go.
Was that fun enough for you?
Yeah.
Whoa.
That hurt. I think I needed to get used to I think I need to get used to holding your breath. Where are you taking me?
Go.
You fine? Okay, I'm fine.
She wants the carpet ride.
Oh no. No, she wants to go hide. And
Daddy.
you want a carpet ride? Ride? You want a carpet ride? Yes, you do. I'm just putting my hair up so it doesn't get into my earrings. Okay. Here goes the carpet ride. No, the opposite way. Okay, Caitlin.
Right?
That was really funny. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to rate, comment, subscribe, and share this video with as much people as you can.